Yo, today is the 27th of October and we are in Copenhagen. Afrik and I, we're gonna go to Zeppelin Theater and do a 30-year anniversary show. I think it is, I'm not sure.
30 years.
I think it is, right? They had balloons that said 30 in the day. Your age is very good. My age, many years ago. So we're gonna do a very short show, 10-15 minutes. Let's go there, let's do the show and let's go home. It's gonna be a very short vlog. Because nothing is happening today. No travel. Afrik has travel, but no travel for me. So let's go! So today we have one show at Zeppelin Theater. And look at this, they prepared the red carpet for us. Are you ready to do this? You know this place, the usual. We have a little mirror here. Ooh, the mic. Thank you.
For jer, der ikke rækker hånden op, så beatbox lidt musik med munden. Det er den nemme måde at forklare det på. Så det lyder lidt sådan her. Og så kan man lave sjove ting med det. 3, 2, 1. Præcis sådan der. Og der er nogen, der er allerede lidt foran. Hvis I ser noget, som er helt vildt, som får jer til virkelig bare at boble over, måske siger jeres hjerne.
Cheers, good show. The organizers were really thrilled. They were ecstatic, they really liked it. And yeah, I told you, they had 30-year anniversary. It's our 30-year anniversary, the group Freestyle Fanatics. So perfect match. And a lot of people came up to us, said they loved it. So good job, Afrik.
Good job, bro. I think if they're gonna give us alcohol always, then we should have more performance in the night.
Don't drink if you're under 18.
So we are all